Okay, guys, hello. Thank you so much for joining today's live session. It's been so long. It's really been quite a few days since I last spoke to you guys, right? Since we have a last live session. I've really been missing to sharing all of these things that with you and also what has been happening. I mean, look, guys, look what happened to BTC recently. Look at this amazing, beautiful drop all the way to the downside. This is a crazy move, guys. Really, such a crazy move. And what do we know? Like previously, what we spoke about all the time, okay? Who are the ones that actually can move the markets? Market makers, right? So we understand already this move is obviously caused by them, all right? So there is something that happened here, and I'm pretty sure eventually price will be going back around this zone, okay? To go and check it out, what is going on, because all of these have created such huge gaps inside of the market, and the market doesn't like that. Okay, these are all things that we know. All right. So I also have been analyzing the market recently. Actually, just before we even started this, this one is Ethereum, by the way, guys. So do not get confused. Huh? By the time, just cross-checking certain things. Okay. So I will share again my analysis and everything, and then we will get into today's live session. Basically, we will predict and then try to understand what is going on. Okay, for the crypto markets. Okay, because I think you guys should be aware. Okay, could be aware, I should say, that most of the currencies are actually declining, but not that badly, except for that one day where it went. It's also not considered bad. Okay, if it moves down, it doesn't mean it's bad. All right, but it did has had a move down. Okay, all the way to below 98,000, but then right now it's still trending up between them. You see now 102. Earlier it was 101. So yeah, there we go, 101. See, 101,000. It went as low as 101. Again, this depends on my cursor. 101,353. All right. So I remember something very thing to look out for. I mean, take note of this was a round number, guys. Okay. Say this one. What is it? What number is this? 102,732.3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So don't worry. We will get into this. Also, I'm actually using a new microphone today to do my live stream because I want to make sure that the quality and everything is better for you guys to hear me and also to understand what I'm actually saying. So I hope it's better lah. To be honest, I really hope it's better for you guys. Okay. So before I break this down, okay, give me 5 minutes. Okay, not 5 minutes too long. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, let me go and get my glass of water. Okay, let me put my trading cat away because it's actually on my table right now. Okay, I'm very worried for her. And then we will get back into today's session. Okay, 2 minutes. Enjoy the music. 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Give me a moment. Let me slow down my music here. Okay, okay. I think this is good. Hi, teacher. Hello. Thank you so much for joining. Very clear. Nice microphone. Thank you so much. Quite few days, I was like serving. I even posted like this. What is that? A reel about sharing my personal advice for those that even today for those that maybe potentially be interested into getting into the trading platform. Okay, if you guys think like, oh, I think trading is for me, I think trading is my path. Trading is my calling. I feel maybe I want to pursue my next 6 months, 1 year, 5 years into trading. You know, so if you guys were having any of these thoughts that really have any genuine interest in trading, I would highly recommend that you guys go and watch my reel. It's only what less than 2 minutes, okay? But it's genuine advice. Okay, these 2 minutes is worth enough for you guys to understand if trading is the one for you or not. Because put aside trading, okay, this video that oh sorry, I touched my mic. I don't know if that made anything or not with the sound. So sorry. But my reel actually is really about whatever basically you want to do. Okay, maybe business. Okay, maybe even a job. You want to pursue a job career, yeah, trading. Anything, literally anything. The video is for you. Okay, is to really just open your eyes, make things come out a bit more clearer for you to really understand if this is something that you truly want. Okay. Yes, teacher, I saw that. It was amazing. Thank you so much for that compliment. I appreciate that so much. Okay, guys, so let's get into today's one because the market is moving quite fast already. Okay, so let's talk about today first. All right. So, what did I notice? Okay, so obviously, like I shared, we understand that crypto has been falling for these past few days. Okay, let me off this up. So it won't catch out you guys. Okay, wait, and make sure my microphone is on. Yes, my microphone is on. Okay, so we can't really see a move down. Okay, because it's not really significantly moving down, it's not really significantly moving up. So basically it's staying within this zone. Okay, I cannot really say it's sideways or so. It's kind of like sideways, but there is momentum, there is movement. Okay, so it's not really qualified to be an actual sideways also, in my opinion, personal opinion. Okay, other traders may have other opinions, you may have other opinions, and it's totally fine. I always mention that trading is a Rubik's Cube concept. Okay, what I think is how based on how I personally trade. Okay, how do you think is based on how you personally trade, and what is your experience in trading? And for me, basically, what is my experience in trading? Okay, does that mean I'm correct if I have more experience? No. Does that mean you are correct if you have more experience? No. No one is wrong. Everybody can be right. As long as you understand what the market is telling you, and whatever the market is telling you, you can benefit from that. You're right. Okay? So let's get on to it. Sorry guys, my cat is so hyper suddenly. Again, he came in the room and he found his ball. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or not. Again, guys, sorry. Half a minute. Okay, let me just half a minute. Let me just put my cat outside. Okay, one more moment. Again, I apologize. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so what am I seeing? Okay, based on bigger time frame bias. Okay, so I jumped into my H4, and I'm not going to focus based on what happened in the past. I just want to focus on the most recent price action. All right. So what I realized is price came out and take, oh, he's coming in again. Price came up and take out this liquidity zone. Okay, ignore the part when I mentioned H1. All right, just ignore that. Okay, because we will go into H1 later on. Now we're in H4. Whatever I written here that says H4, that's the only one you guys need to focus on. All right. So I noticed that price took out this liquidity in H4. Okay, then it made a move towards the downside. So this is what is telling me. Actually, sellers are in control. That's why sellers managed to push the price down, especially after collecting enough fuel. All right. For those that may be confused about what is fuel, okay, what is liquidity, I actually released a video. Basically, it's a tutorial about support and resistance, and it speaks about liquidity also. Okay, go and watch that video right after this live session. You guys will definitely not be confused anymore about this term liquidity, about market makers, and all of this stuff. Everything I break it down there, very simple. Okay, so that you guys are able to understand it. Super simple, super easy. I promise. But if you're going to watch that, watch episode 1 first, and then episode 2. The reason why is because these right are building blocks to being such a powerful and successful trading strategy. Okay, so I will eventually release episode 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there are a few of you, especially in our Discord community, that have requested me to do that. I'm sorry, I've been a little bit carried away because CNY. Okay, I also celebrate. Okay, but I still should have at least released the video for you guys. I'm very sorry, but I will work on that. Okay, maybe today, right after this live session, or maybe tomorrow, because I have also been creating certain things for our VIP section, okay, for these past few days as well, which is already done. The first section is already done, okay. Imagine this, just up to roughly 10 things, okay, 10 things, and you can initially become an advanced trader. That's how simplified I'm breaking it down for you guys. So that one is taking a little bit of time. Again, my apologies. Everything will be ready soon. Okay, I promise that. Okay. Okay, so the price took out liquidity and then making a move down. All right, and then price also took out liquidity. You're seeing in H4. So you guys might be confused. You guys might be thinking, okay, first it took liquidity at the top, and then sellers came in. Okay, but now it has liquidity at the bottom. Does that mean buyers are coming in? Potentially, yeah, potentially. Like I said, there's nothing confirming trading. Okay, what do we do as traders? Right? Is we watch. Treat trading like this amazing movie, okay, that you're going to watch. When you go into the theaters, right? Okay, obviously like you buy a ticket, you go with your loved ones or with your family, also loved ones, right? Even if your friends are so obviously like you care for them a lot, that's why you're willing to spend your time with them, right? So you go with them to watch a movie. Even if you go yourself, it's totally fine, guys. I personally go do that before. It was great. Okay, going to the movies, watching the movies. What do you do? Obviously, we sit and we just watch and focus what the movie is telling us, what the storyline is telling us. That is exactly what you should do as a trader. When you come in the markets, right? When you want to analyze the markets, treat it as a movie, a very beautiful movie with just two colors. Okay, last time go black and white. Those days of black and white, everybody enjoy what? Right. So treat it like that, okay? This one have more colors than black and white, so we should be thankful for that. So all I'm doing is I am seeing what is telling me, what is going on, okay? Who is in control? I mean, most important thing is who is in control. So as of now, price took out liquidity, and I'm seeing some sort of reaction, but not a very powerful one yet. Because this again, this is a H4 time frame. If you guys look here, right, 3 hours and 50 minutes, then only at this candle, the green one, will be eventually closing. Okay, but so far, all I notice is price took out liquidity resting below. Okay, potentially we may be seeing a pullback. Okay, or we may be seeing a continuation back to the upside. Why am I saying continuation? See this, guys. Remember, focus on the current price, not previous one. Okay, we get confused. See, this is what? What is this? This is a pullback. What is this? This potentially is a pullback also. This pullback may be shorter. This pullback may be longer. Regardless, a pullback is always a pullback. Okay. I mentioned this before. I'll mention it again. Show you guys. So yeah. Wait, okay, I'll be uptrend so I can give this example. Okay. No, sorry. Okay. So this impulse pullback, normal pullback, right? We used to this kind of pullback. Impulse, even longer pullback, almost become another impulse because it almost broke below this, but it didn't. It's still above it. It is still considered as a pullback. Impulse, pullback, very little, but it's still considered as a pullback. This is the actual behavior of the market of a pullback. The reason why I always do not encourage traders, especially newbies, to trade this pullback. This is because we never know when the pullback will actually end. Some will be short, some will be longer than the previous one. Some will be like usual, our expected type of pullback. Okay? And it's okay, regardless whichever pullback is okay. But for me, most important is I need to know who is in control, and there are ways how to identify those things. Okay? But my strategy helps me to do that. Okay? So even if this pullback is short, if I'm able to identify buyers are actually present here, buyers are in control, even though this is a short pullback, I will enter my buy. Because for me, most important is who is in control. That is all. I just need to know that. If let's say you see this pullback is longer, okay, but here I cannot identify buyers are in control. I want to enter this trade. Maybe I can identify buyers I control in the middle. Then okay, I will enter this trade. I will enter this trade. I actually no problem. There is a way, so I got a strategy of how to set my SL, how to set my TP. There's a strategy that allows me to enter the trade like this. Can. For me, most important is I need to know when those market makers come in the market. I need to know, am I actually supporting the bulls or am I supporting the bears? That's all. Okay, that is all. So this is just an example of showing you the pullbacks. Okay, if you guys still have to see which part of it is it, it's this. This is pullbacks. Okay, these are the pullbacks. These, right, are called impulse. A straight line up. Vice versa, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, vice versa. This is the impulse, this is the pullback. Impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Hold on, click it. Okay. Oh no, sorry guys. It's confused for you guys then. Okay. Same thing. Some will be shorter, some will be longer, some will be even shorter. Regardless, they are all pullbacks. Okay. There is no such thing as a pullback that is failed because it's shorter. There is no such thing as a more quality pullback if it's longer. No, it's nothing like that. Okay, a pullback is a pullback. Impulse is an impulse. All right. So you see, these are all the pullbacks for a bearish move down. These are all the pullbacks for a bullish move up. Okay. Okay, so since we got this clarified already, let me remove this one screen. We like a clean screen. Okay, so you see this? Impulse, pullback, right? Okay, normal pullback, impulse, longer pullback. But again, does this mean, oh Guna, doesn't mean that now, right? What are we going to look at this? We're going to look at this. Hold on, let me show you. Are we going to see this move, another impulse up? Potentially, yes, potentially. Okay, we could also be looking at this. Let me show you another example. We should also be looking at this. This comes here, okay, never makes an impulse, okay? It makes an internal structure, then it goes down. It doesn't break. This also could happen. We could be seeing a bearish move down. Why? It's because crypto has been dropping recently. It has been dropping, not significantly, okay? I won't say significantly, but it has been dropping. Okay, this is just something to keep noting. So we could be seeing this move down as well. We never know. And to be honest, that's what makes the market interesting. If you know everything, it's not interesting anymore. It's like you going to watch a movie when you know everything that is going to happen. Why would you even go to watch that movie? It's not fun, right? So, okay, so you guys understand already. So H4 liquidity is taken. We are seeing sellers present. And then right now, this also H4 liquidity has been taken. And now, potentially, we are seeing some rejection candles here. Quite strong rejections lah. Okay, so then now let's go into H1, guys. Okay, what do I see in H1? All right, so this one I'm looking at in H1. Okay, if you guys are still confused, right, how to find these liquidity ranges, there are specific levels and specific things that I look for me to confirm the liquidity range. Okay, all of this I will be teaching, especially inside of my VIP Discord group. All right, to join is 100% free. Okay, even to enroll inside of this VIP is also free. Trust me, it's free. There's only a certain requirement from your end, okay, that you have to perform. That is all. Okay, if you guys don't believe me, join the link for free and then you will find out it's actually all for free. Okay, we just want to teach genuine traders, that's all. Okay, so now H1, what are we looking at? Okay, you see price took our liquidity is moving away to the downside. Okay, and then also up, instead of just looking at H1 liquidity, I'm also seeing a 15-minute liquidity being swept. And what am I seeing now? I'm seeing bullish candles going up. This is quite a strong one. Okay, this is a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for 1 hour, this big candle is considered a strong one, guys. All right, but does that mean based on this I'm going to put buy? No, of course no. I actually missed this buy opportunity. I will show you guys. I even missed the sell one in the Asia session because today whole day I wasn't looking at markets. I won't lie. Okay, even in my Discord group, so I never said anything today. I felt so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, after today, everything will go back to normal. Okay, these past 2 days, please forgive me. All right. So you see it? This would have been an entry model for me. Okay, this would have been a beautiful entry model for me. This is my mitigation area. Okay, you know how to find this mitigation area. Join the Discord group. Okay, we will learn more. All right. I want to teach all genuine traders, that people who are seriously interested about being a trader. Okay, that is what I want. That is what I will make sure you become also. Okay, you just have to give me your determination and sacrifice for your time to learn. All right, I will do the same for my end. These past 2 days, I'm sorry. Okay, I really will get back in track starting today. All right, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so you see, we're seeing a move down, liquidity sweat, price respected mitigation. This would have been my entry, but did I take this entry? No, I didn't. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't see the market today. Okay, today was very, I wouldn't say busy, but kind of like a chill day lah. Okay, okay. So you see, this would have been the ultimate TP zone, all right? Because I usually kind of like predict that market will be coming back to my little red box. Also part of my strategy. Also, you guys can learn. Join the Discord group. You will learn. Okay. Okay. So this will be my first TP lah. The main TP, not first, but this is my most important TP because I am a 1 to 3, 1 to 2 trader. Okay. Right now, also I think price came to almost 1 to 2. Okay. If I were to enter this trade, by now I would have taken up partials already and I would have put my break even here. So I wouldn't really mind if price actually came all the way down and took me out or whatever. I wouldn't mind. I'm okay because I already took up partial, so it's fine. Okay, so this would have been an entry model for me. Okay, so then when I come into 15 minutes, what am I seeing? All right, so basically I just saw this lah. Okay, the reason why I never saw anything from the top is because I couldn't find anything significant that I can look for. Okay, but at the bottom I can. I actually found out that price not only took up the H4 liquidity but also 15-minute liquidity. All right, and then I saw mitigation zone which is being respected. But there's something interesting about this mitigation zone. Okay, something interesting. To be honest, I don't think I would have entered this trade. Okay, because you might see that price actually went to mitigation, but it didn't. I'll show you guys when we go in the smaller time frame. Okay, so I also, like I said, as a trader, okay, my personal advice based on my experience, right, in trading, all right, my experience in trading, right. 66, let's go. Well, let's go. Elvin, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so again, guys, my personal advice in trading, okay, never stand, how to say, okay, I maybe I'll just try to make this up, okay. Never stand facing only in one direction. Okay. If you want to say about your personal goals, your personal ambitions, your personal, a personal success that you want to achieve, then you should always stand and only face one direction. Okay, you shouldn't let anything else block your view. All right, that is true. Okay, this is correct. But in trading, based on my personal advice, never do that. Okay, always have a second opinion, because in trading we have two actions that we can take. One is buying, another one is selling. Okay, we will always have buyers and sellers present, and we must always humble ourselves, okay, and respect that we don't have the power to move the markets. You must accept this. All right, you must understand that only market makers, okay, basically these very powerful people, they have the ability to move the market. Okay, humble yourself. Huh? We must understand that. So that is why, after years of trading, right, and years of experience, I stopped only standing in one direction, but standing and actually looking at one direction. I start to give out percentages, okay, about all of my predictions. So I will always have a buying prediction and also a selling prediction, and I will give percentages to them. This is my personal, it's part of my strategy, right? But this is just mentally, all right? So I know if the trade is not going towards the upside, if I'm actually expecting for a buy, I will instantly know that for selling opportunities, where will potentially the market move to. So you see, it's still a win-win. Regardless, I still win. That's how you should be also. Okay? I don't want to say backup plan. Okay? It's not really a backup plan. Okay? It's just, how to say, humbling ourselves to the point that understanding that nothing is 100% in trading. Okay? We cannot predict the market. Yes, I can predict, okay, sellers are here. Okay, yes, buyers are here. Okay, price went down, exactly the prediction. Price went up. Most of the predictions that we send in our Discord group also, all of them went exactly like how we predicted them to be. I even posted reels also. These are all live recordings. Okay, there's also a live video that I actually posted out on YouTube, which you guys can go and see. I also show you guys how price moved according to whatever I said in the live session. Everything is recorded. Yes, we can do this, but I still always humble myself and let myself know that nothing is 100%. All right, this is trading. This is just how good are we at predicting the market. That is all. Based on my years of experience, I got better and better and better and better and better. But the moment when I try to make myself understand that I have no power to move the market, and that is okay. But I want to follow the people who has the power that can move the market, and that instantly shifted my trading. Okay, especially my experience, especially my mindset, especially my stress level. Okay, if you guys haven't traded before, okay, the moment you press buy or sell, it is okay to feel stress. Everybody goes through that phase. Okay, but you guys have to understand this. You guys have to start trading. You literally have to start trading. There are so many people that say, it's okay, you guys can start with demos. Yes, you guys can start with demo accounts, correct. But to actually put yourself in the field and really understand what trading is like, okay? Sorry guys, my cat is playing with my light. Okay? You will never gain that experience to trading demo accounts, okay? It will never be the same. The market is the same. You might ask, but the market is the same, what guna? This is the same one. The movement was the same one. Yeah, yeah. Demo is still live market. But actually trading and thinking that you're actually trading are very different things. This is one thing that I did very wrong, especially in my trading career many years back. Okay, I thought that just trading through the demo accounts, okay, and making myself think that it's real is enough. Okay, it's not enough, guys. No matter how much we train ourselves to make it feel like it's real. Okay, my trading card is back, guys. Okay, I might just leave her here first. 2 times already. Okay? Don't know if she'll come back again or not. Okay, no matter how much we make ourselves believe that it's real, the moment when you actually enter the market with actual money, you will never be prepared enough to be in that situation. when it actually happens. Okay, trust me. And I really wish I started way back earlier in trading real accounts. I'm very sure my success would have been a lot more faster. Okay, I didn't have to go through this FOMO. Basically, for those that don't know, every trader goes through FOMO. It's a phase. Okay, sometimes even no, now I don't anymore. To be honest, it's been very long since I actually faced it personally, lah, because I have certain rules that I set myself to already. Okay, so far no, but basically FOMO means fear of missing out. Okay, fear of missing out basically means like if you like this one, you see right now, right? I put I say mitigation. Okay, price came into mitigation, respected the zone. Okay, by right this should be my entry. But then let's say we never see the market. We saw the market only here. When price is, let me see, price is about here. See this part here. Then we like, ah yeah, I missed this candle. Never mind lah. I know the price will eventually go roughly around this zone, my 1 to 3. So I just enter here. And then I'll just put a bigger stop loss and then I'll put my take profit here. Some worse, some don't even set stop loss. Okay, it's okay lah. I ready to get 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is not bad. Okay, it's actually okay. But why risk so much more? Why? Why not just wait? We understand what we have 3 sessions right in a day: Asia, London, New York. We actually have a bit more, okay, but the main ones are Asia, London, and New York. We have these sessions, so why not we just wait? Why not we just be patient? Yeah, so this is all part of FOMO. Okay, don't want to miss out on anything. Some people don't how do you say? Hold on, guys, my cat now playing my mouse. Some people don't sleep. Some people wake up so early, just to make sure they see the market. They want to make sure every single profit also belongs to them. For what? For what? Every single day there is opportunity, guys. Okay, this is me trading for 3 years. I'm telling you, every single day there is opportunity. If you want me to be honest, right, during this Chinese New Year week, okay, now is the 4th day of Chinese New Year, right? I never traded at all. I think once I traded only. Yeah, the day before Chinese New Year I traded. Chinese New Year day I didn't. Yesterday I almost wanted to, but I didn't. Okay, because price didn't came to my actual zones that I wanted it to be. Okay, but it went to TP, but it didn't came to my zone, so I didn't enter. Yeah, that's all. I'm totally fine with it. I'm okay because I want to make sure that I stay dedicated to my set of rules. I want to be stern with myself. I don't want to go back to how I was before. The moment you start to break your own rules, right? Okay, the market will take everything from you. Okay, because the market knows how human emotions play. Remember that this is alive. Okay, market makers know us very well. No, just remember this. Okay, only if you put yourself in a real trading environment, which is like joining our Discord community, okay, which where we are building up a community of actual traders. Okay, guys, to join us not exactly 100% for free. The link is in the bio. Just click on it. I saw no bio. I keep saying bio. This is YouTube. The link is in the description. Okay, click on that link and you'll be joined inside of the Discord community. Guys, just that simple. Okay, that is one. Putting yourself in the training environment. Another thing, you guys have to make a deposit and have to start trading. Don't worry about fear or anything. Okay, trading is not like you will lose every single money that you have. Don't stop having that idea. Why before you guys even try, you want to think that you will lose. I also had this. I don't know why I had this. Things never even happen yet, but then we tend to put ourselves more towards the negative side. And I don't blame you guys because uh, I would say this is just based on how we are grow up, like the society we are actually in, and also the people that we surround ourselves with, which is very important. Which is why the group is very prominent for me. Which is why I want to make sure that we have a group where genuine active traders are in there. Okay, so whenever you get lost in your path, eventually sometimes you can, okay, especially if you're doing this alone, you will have people that can put you back where you started. Okay, to guide you back to your path so you can continue your journey forward. You don't have to go backwards. You don't have to give up. I mentioned always in my description. Okay, let me just go and get it. Okay, I don't want to say it wrongly. Okay, it's my description and then I say it wrongly. I even thought about this myself. Okay, True story, yeah. Okay, this thing I thought about it myself. It's something to do with uh I think you guys got hear before lah. 99% of traders they say fail. Okay? In trading, 99% of traders fail. Sorry, 90%. 90% of traders fail. Only 10% are actually people that are successful. Okay? So I actually wrote this lah. I said it. The saying that 90% of traders fail isn't because they can't succeed. It is because they give up. This is true. Because when you're in that path of trading, okay, you'll be very strong usually in the beginning, but when things starts to fall, it will just depend on how long and how much are you willing to take the hit. Okay, so usually people when they take the hit, some cannot take it. I don't blame them. It's because they're not in the right environment. Okay, no one to support them, no one to remind them why are they in the path in the first place. No one to tell them that yes, you will take hits along the way, and that's normal. Think about your job, right? When you're actually going to like how to say when you're actually going into a new career, a new opportunity. There's no way we won't make mistakes. That's why usually they have this period, right, where we can learn, where we will have a mentor. There's a reason why we have all of these things. Because when we make those mistakes, we have someone to guide us back. We have someone to teach us. Okay? So that's basically what trading is like also. Hold on guys, one moment. Yeah. So like, many like many traders lah, okay, they need to follow the pathway, okay, to success, especially those that are new. Okay, that pathway is something that I personally and my team also personally provide, especially inside of this Discord community. Okay, I know what's it like to be interested in trading, number one. Okay, and number two, not having people that surround you that, to be honest, really support that idea or support that vision that you may have. Okay, don't blame those that surround you. Okay, like for example, if your parents don't believe in that, you can't blame them because maybe they have not been exposed to this, how to say, this environment. Okay, so it's totally fine because they've not been exposed to it. You are the one that have been exposed to it. You are the one that sees the potential. You are the one that are interested in what your life can actually be. That is what I personally went through. Okay, I'm thankful that I have a very loving partner. Okay, now my wife, and I'm so grateful that whenever I felt lost, okay, she was able to put me back on track lah. Okay, to move forward. I never moved back. I almost gave up in trading. True story lah, because I've been trading for 3 years. 1 year, I calculated already. 1 year, 7 months plus almost 8 months. Everything was lost, guys. Okay, because I didn't really have a clear goal. I didn't really not clear goal, a clear path, clear guidance to what to actually do. Okay, but then when I found my path to profitability, it is because I never give up. So that is what our community is all about. It is about keep on motivating you guys, keep on making sure that you guys stay on the path, showing you guys what is actually possible. We actually constantly got sent us all of these like results and stuff inside of our community group. All of those are real results, guys. Okay, this is to show you how many people have benefited from trading. All right, but the thing is, you guys have to start. If you guys fear, right, to start, just know one thing. There's a reason why there's this term, the leap of faith. I'm pretty sure you guys heard it about it. Okay. I also heard another person said, I cannot recall from where I heard it now, but it's very nice. Okay. It was about this motivational video stuff like that I always see last time online before I go to work. Last time when I work in the office, right? I always listen to this in my car in the morning. Okay, just to like, I thought it will put my mind in the proper how to say I won't say proper mood, but basically proper mindset lah. Okay, the success mindset. Okay, this person, this speaker. Okay, if I can find it again, I will share it inside of my Discord community. All right, then you guys can listen to it. I'll try to find it again. Okay, but he said the moment when you are afraid to take that leap, okay, that is exactly the moment that you should jump. Okay, when you are afraid, okay, the only thing holding you back from what great potential or great possibility that is ahead of you, fear is the only thing that is holding you back. That is the exact point that you should jump. Okay, if you guys never put yourself inside the proper community, if you guys never deposit and actually trade, okay, if you keep on letting fear stop you from doing that, it is very difficult, guys, to find success, especially in this market. Okay, trust me, we won't let you guys like deposit and then straight away just ball burst account. My goal is bigger than that. Okay, my goal is to make sure that you guys become traders with me. Okay, I want to learn from you guys as much as you want to learn from me. Okay, and we will do all we can to make sure that we guide you in the correct path. Okay, do not worry, guys. Okay, just listen, give your sacrifice to all of the classes. Thank you for joining the live stream like today. If you guys have went through episode 1 and 2, amazing, really amazing. All of those things are building blocks. Just remember that everything is a building block to becoming your own personal strategy eventually. Okay, that's what trading is all about. It's about finding your own strategy that fits your personal style of trading. Okay, I found mine. Maybe mine can work for you. Okay, even if you feel like mine maybe is okay, but then you manage to make it even better, I'm very happy for you. Good job. But teach me as well lah. Don't just give it to yourself lah. Okay, remember, we are all followers. All right, if we all follow this pathway together, success will always be at the end waiting for us, guys. It will always be there. Okay, action plus action will always equal results. This is the universal term. All right, but if you don't do anything, okay, if you stay afraid, not brave enough to take the leap, okay, it will 100% equals nothing. Okay, but if you take action, it will always equal to result. All right, and the good thing is you guys don't have to do it on your own. Okay, that is why the trading community is here. That's why the Discord group is here, guys. We all are doing this together. Okay, awesome. I hope this small speech talk was motivating for you guys. Okay, so let's break down today's one. So what we analyze based on our bigger time frame and smaller time frame, okay? I mean medium time frame, and then now we go to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes. Okay, what am I seeing, guys? Okay, so 15 minutes, I'm only able to find this section here that is significant based on my personal strategy. So I understand price actually took out liquidity resting in H4 and also M15. All right, so two zones of liquidity. Okay, liquidity range, okay, basically means there's a lot of funds there, guys. A lot of funds are okay. Maybe not sure lah. A lot means how much? Millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay, if you guys see this line here, right? Millions and millions and millions of dollars. This line is saying. You guys may look at this, it's just a line. That line represents millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay, just imagine that. Now you guys can have the understanding of how much, okay, what I mean by liquidity, all right? Crazy amount of money, guys, okay? So price already swept that liquidity, and now price is making a move up, okay? Same thing happened here, all right? So what I realized here, okay, this one I need to go in smaller time frame now to show you guys, okay? All right, so this is why price is actually moving up. Okay, why I expected it to go up. It is because I'm waiting to see who is in control. All right, there's something interesting lah. Usually, based on my back testing lah, from November up to January. No, not January. So because okay, my cat is here, guys. She's coming for my microphone. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Mochi. For have fun. Later I play with you. She just loves to play, guys. She's so hyper. Okay. Again, one more minute. Okay. We get back to this. Okay, one more minute. I apologize. Okay, thank you guys for waiting. Already filled the form. Thank you so much. Thank you. You see, guys? Okay, filling up the form. Okay, basically is a starting point. Okay, to be on that path, to tell yourself, to let yourself know that this is exactly what I want. This is what I want to do. Okay, this is what I'm going to give 100% focus to. This is where I'm going to spend my time to really build up my future. Okay, it's a very simple thing to do, guys, and it's free. It's free. Okay. The thing is, you guys don't have to get confused anymore. You guys don't have to be like, oh, yeah, there's so many tutorials online. There's so many things online. What should I do? Where should I start? What should I do first? I will simplify it to minimum like roughly 10 things, maybe a little bit more if I give some bonus stuff. Okay. Done. That's it. We have a roadmap for you guys really on how to achieve. Okay. And we're doing it to make sure that we can build the community that we always wanted to have. Okay. Genuine traders. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much again for filling up the form. Okay, we will speak more inside the Discord community. Okay, so then, okay, let's continue. Huh? So we see here. Okay, so let's go to smaller time frame now. Okay, let me remove this dot first. This was just an example. Okay, so when I go to my smaller time frame, what I realized in Asia session. Okay, this is what I realized. I realized price swap liquidity in this range. Okay, and then price makes a move, very strong move all the way to the downside. I'm able to identify there is no mitigation areas around this area, but here there was. Again, if you guys are confused, how? Now, how did you find this mitigation area? I'm not seeing anything. It is okay if you guys not seeing anything. I couldn't see last time also. This took years of experience, years of training, okay, years of hard work, and I'm able to identify these things just based on what I'm seeing in the market right now. And you guys can too, but you guys don't need years. Okay, I know how to find them already. Okay, I can just teach you guys how to find them, but I only want to do this for people who are genuine. Okay, like you guys see, I already filled up the form. Amazing. I want you guys to really ask yourself, this is what you really want. Okay, really, really want, truly, truly want. I will also truly, truly give you all of my effort to make sure that you become what you want to become. Okay. So you see, I saw mitigation here and I saw price respecting. This would be my entry zone. Not in this candle. I like to wait until candle close. You see this one? Okay, this will be my entry zone. Did I enter? No, I didn't. I wish I did. I didn't see the markets today. Okay. I should have. Okay. You think I will put my TP all the way here? No, my TP will be 1 to 3. Okay, I'm very strict with myself on that. This would have been my TP range, guys. Okay. This would have been my TP. Okay. This is the most safest SL zone. Okay. For those that risk takers, this one you can put your SL here. Okay. This is also okay because this one is a strong move all the way to the downside. Okay. We are not supposed to be expecting any move all the way to the upside. Okay. That means there is very strong sellers here and very strong buyers here. So there is a lot of imbalance happening. Okay. So we got to wait until the market cools down to really identify what is going on. Okay. So for now, yeah, this would have been an amazing trade now, which I wish I entered, but I didn't. Okay. So this is how I realized that sellers were actually in control, which is why price moved all the way down. Okay. Now, when I realized this, remember our 15-minute and our 4-hour, remember the liquidity I mentioned about millions of dollars, okay, being swept. This is the range. And then I realized price made the move up. Okay. However, okay guys, however, watch carefully. Oh, guys, sorry, I'm wrong. Yeah, this would have been my entry. Price actually took it. See the line? Can you guys see the line? The line went below. Yeah, price actually respected the mitigation. Yes. Okay, this would have been an entry. So, should have entered this. I actually saw this. Okay, but not at this point. I saw it around here. To be fair, I wouldn't have entered. Okay, I would only enter if around this zone. Okay, roughly here. Okay, when price closed, this would have been my entry. All right. This is 1 to 2. Okay, I would take 1 to 2 partials out, but my main usually be 1 to 3. So this would be my ultimate. Okay, this would be my ultimate. Okay, guys, so see, this would be my ultimate TP. Is price moving up? Yes. Is this magic? No, it's not magic. Okay, but can you guys also be able to predict this sort of stuff? Okay, yes. Will it take years? To be honest, no. I told you guys already. Roughly 10 things, and you guys can do what I'm doing. Okay, that's how simple actually trading is supposed to be. If it is trading hard, it is. For the beginning, yes, it's actually very difficult. If you tell me right now trading is easy enough for me, I won't say very difficult, but I won't say very easy also. Okay? Because it depends on us, on what we choose to look at. If we make trading very complicated, it's very difficult. I like to make it very simple. If you guys look at my charts and all, you guys see it's very clean. Okay, very simple to look at. I'm only using very few stuff. Okay, they are very powerful indicators also. Okay, especially we have them, which we give to you guys for free. Okay, all you have to do is make sure that you guys are dedicated into learning, and we will pass that indicators all to you. Get all of these tools. Okay, everything also we will give it to you guys. All right. So give me one more, guys. I just want to check out Ethereum. One moment. Okay, this should be moving up. So, yep, Ethereum is also moving upside. Okay, seeing this. If you guys are wondering, like, why here got orange, blue, here also got like orange, blue, right? So this is yellow, sorry, yellow. This is like orange. Okay, this basically is my trading sessions. I like to see them. Okay, based on my personal trading strategy, it just makes me easily understand who is in control because I want to know the sessions to understand who is in control in that session. Usually, if the market makers are in control, right, usually only one person will be in control. It's either buyers or sellers. And I like to see that. Okay, when I don't turn them on, okay, see off them. I don't turn them on. If you ask me, can I see? Can. It's not difficult. I can see easily. I can see. To be honest, even more easier. I can see. I can see quite a few now. Okay, but the reason why I turn them on is because I want to know in that session who is in control, because that will let me predict eventually what I'm about to see in the next session. Potentially, who could be in control. Okay, so this is what the predictions line that we actually send in our group also. Okay, almost every day. Today, I'm sorry, okay? Like I said, please forgive me, guys. All right? After this, after today, everything will be back to normal, okay? I promise, huh? All right, so you see, guys, very simple, very straightforward, very easy. Okay, my trading strategy basically only have, let me count, three, I know, sorry. Share, sweep, spike, spike, okay. Roughly 5 steps lah. Okay, okay, just when I think about it right now lah, roughly 5 steps. Okay, that's all I used to trade. Okay, that is how straightforward and very simple I'd like to treat trading. Okay, so for now London session I can see buyers are in control. Obviously lah, you can see lah, price moving up. If you ask me if it will keep moving up or not, no, we cannot predict that, guys. Okay, no one can predict that. Candies are very easy really to make money in trading. So now I will just wait now. Later on during the New York session, I will send to you guys, especially only in my Discord community, what potentially we may be looking at, what potentially we may be seeing. Okay, so you guys can actually find a trading opportunity based on your trading structure to potentially enter that trade. Okay, for those that have been following all of the predictions, all of the market technical analysis, fundamental analysis that we shared inside of the Discord community group, congratulations to you guys receiving your messages, okay, with the screenshot. I appreciate it so much. Okay, it makes me very happy to see you guys actually succeeding in trading. Okay, that's what I want. I want you guys to really be genuine traders that we can eventually help everybody else become the same thing. Okay, so based on this hindsight okay, what I can predict so far. Okay, so based on our H4, right, I'm seeing this strong push down. Okay, I broke this down before. Okay, I will just share it again lah. All right. I shared this before. Market likes to move in a pattern. Okay. We will always have impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Right. Market like this. What is a healthy market structure? This, guys, you see the reds and then the greens, the reds and the green, right? Red and green, red and green, red and green. This is healthy. Market like to see this. But these big long candles, right? This is unhealthy. Market don't like this. Okay. This actually creates gaps inside of the market. All right. If you guys are a bit confused, right? What do you mean gaps? What do you mean market don't like? How you know market don't like? Okay. There's a structure behind it. Okay. These are all in-depth structures, in-depth uh, reasonings of why the market actually doesn't like, why the market likes it. Okay. What is healthy? What is unhealthy? These are all things you cannot really find online, guys. Okay. So these are all things that we also teach, we also provide. Okay. So based on this lah, okay, based on what I understand, this will eventually get filled up back again. All right. There is a very huge gap that is created here. Very huge one. Okay. So this empty zone here, all right, let me just color that full. This empty zone here is what price will eventually go in to take out, basically to cover back lah. Okay. And also on top of this structure here, what we can understand, right, is that we are potentially still in a pullback. Potentially only. See? We are potentially still in a pullback. So this one is one of the reasons that we can understand market may be moving up to close the gap. Other than that, since we're in a pullback, we could also potentially be seeing market flying all the way up. Basically, another impulse move. Because why? It's impulse pullback. Impulse pullback. The next move should be an impulse. Is it 100% a big impulse? No, not 100%. Okay, that is why I have another perspective of where I believe market might be going to take up liquidity. Okay, this is just a prediction, guys. That is all we do. We predict. The best part is we watch and we wait. Okay, I like to set these areas like these mitigation areas because I like to wait. I'm totally fine with waiting because trading view, you guys have the alarm thing. I don't have to sit in front of the computer. If you guys are wondering like, oh, you gonna say have to wait? Does that mean I have to sit hours in front of the computer? I do sometimes. Okay, 2 3 hours. Sometimes I sit in front. For me, it's fun because I treat trading like a movie. I like to see how price move. It's interesting for me. I love trading. But the best part about trading view is you can set alarms, guys. See if I right click, see, and an alert. Okay, see yeah, great. Okay, it's hard to see here, but there's a yellow line. See, Bitcoin crossing. To be honest, until now, I don't know how to change this color. If any of you guys know, please teach me. Okay, I always try to figure out how to change the color, but I cannot. I'm not sure how. If you guys know, let me know. Actually, it's not really bothering me now. I just cannot see it. That's all. Okay, but basically it's here like the yellow line here. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. All right. So basically, when price comes in here, I will receive a notification and a sound okay, through my computer and through my phone. So immediately I will go and then wait and check and see what is price doing. It's a beautiful thing about trading view. Okay, so that's the thing about trading. You guys don't have to just think, oh, I have to sit in front of the computer for hours and all. Okay, but there's also another thing, like if you guys feel like that, okay, you guys have to ask yourself, so is really trading something you're interested in or not? You guys have to love seeing the charts. Okay, then only trading will become amazingly easy, amazingly successful for you. Okay, that's why they always say, do the thing you love. This is what I love. That's why it's benefiting me lah personally. I'm very thankful as well. Okay, but because throughout years of experience and so years of learning, years of falling, okay, because never give up, I managed to find something that can work for me. Okay, you guys don't worry, no need to take years all. Okay, we know the path already, we know the way that you guys should go. Okay, we will guide you there. Okay, just trust that. Okay, and it's free. What are you going to lose, guys? I'm not charging you anything. You guys don't have to pay me anything. Okay, all right, guys. So basically, My predictions for now, okay, this is how far we went up already. 1.69, guys. We go back to 3, okay. So basically right now we understand London session buyers are right now in control, okay. Eventually I need to wait and see when US session comes in, okay. When US session is in already, basically New York session is this one, guys. For those that don't know, see this green color section here? Okay, this is New York session. Okay, so 9:30 it starts, but still I believe 10:30 only right now is still open, New York session. 10:30 only. Uh, Initially it's actually 9:30, guys. Okay, so this one is because the world change and all, So the oh, hold on, my battery is at 10%. Okay, I need to charge this really. Okay, but right now it's 10:30 still. Okay, eventually you'll go back to 9:30. All right. I will be recording. Okay, like I said, we are back. Okay, I'm so sorry for the past 2 days, but we are back. So I will be proceeding to do our recording for episode 3. Okay, so where I will teach you guys something that I explained just now, which is the gap, the imbalance, okay, that zone. Okay, some call fair value gaps. All right, all mean the same thing. All right, so this is something that I will be sharing inside of my episode 3, and then later on I will be posting it maybe by tomorrow or today. Okay, but I will finish it off today. That's confirmed. Okay, that will be informing you guys, especially inside of my Discord community, for what we will be predicting of what New York session will be doing lah. Okay, and once I understand who is in control, you guys will be the first to know. Okay, so that you guys can potentially find out what could you be doing. Okay, no matter what, remember we are all in this together. Okay, as traders, we win together, we fall together, we learn together. All right. No matter what we do, we all will grow together. That is my promise to you. Okay, guys? So, for today's session, I hope it was insightful. Basically, today is just a prediction, okay, and then a brief explanation to you that crypto has been dropping, okay, for these past 2, 3 days, okay, ever since the election, actually, no election, the announcement of the presidency of Trump actually being the president, okay, it has been dropping. Everybody was expecting it to go up, even myself. I won't lie. I also mentioned I still believe it will go up eventually. Okay, but because he never mentioned anything about crypto in his speech, and as of now, until now, I never see any news about crypto where he mentioned. That's why it's right now is stagnant around this 100,000 range. If you realize it's not going below, really, it's not going above like the 109,000, the highest point. Okay, there's a reason for that. I believe that investors still believe in something and they are holding their prices on within this range. Okay, so we gotta wait and see now for that. Okay, a lot of interesting things that we can find out eventually. All right, guys. So for now, I will end our live session here today. I hope the microphone is good. Okay, I heard one good compliment already. Thank you so much. All right, we will just keep on improving lah, especially our live streams to make it better and better and better for you guys. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow in the next live session. All right, do stay tuned for episode 3 that will be coming out soon. If you guys are new here and enjoyed this live stream, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We constantly do these live streams almost every single day where we analyze the market and give you guys hands-on information and our predictions of where we think the market will be heading to. All right. If you guys want to take it a step further, okay, from just liking the video and subscribing, which I truly appreciate, okay, you guys can go and click on the link in the description where you can actually join inside of our free Discord community, whereby we'll be sharing you daily mappings, okay, daily insights, fundamental news, technical analysis, and many more. Okay, basically we are there to build a trading community that we always wanted to build, okay, of genuine traders, where we share thoughts, we share predictions, we understand where the market is going, and then we all win together. All right. If that sounds interesting, guys, the link is in the description. Until next time, I will see you in the next live. Take care. Bye bye.